The following exercises is used in trigger point Pilates. They're a series of myofascial releases and stretches. You need for this a ball. I use a bender ball, but you could equally use a football. This one is a little bit squidgy, which is good. The position you're going to put it in is just under the rim of your pelvis. So get yourself comfortable on your back and pop the ball under your bottom. From here we're going to start to tilt our pelvis. It's a sort of seesawing motion. Some people have trouble with this. So if you put your hand under the small of your back, it will give you something to push on, especially if you have what we call lordosis, which is an exaggerated curve in your back. It'll give you something to push against. It's not lifting your hips, it's a tilting of your pelvis. It's a lovely stretch to your lower back, which isn't an easy area to stretch anyway. The next is a stretch to your hip flexors. It's a gentle one. Bring your right knee in, hold it with your left hand, and then extend the left leg away. If you're balanced enough, the right arm can come overhead. Now take these slightly out to an angle and perhaps push your right knee a little bit wider. This is giving you a diagonal stretch, which is a myofascial line. Just try and relax, and every out breath, if you can extend your legs away, and then repeat on the other side. Taking the opposite hand will give you onto the knee, gives you a stretch across your back as well. So you can see you've got the back stretch and then diagonally across the front of your body and into your hip flexor, which is the front of your hip. And again, just use your breath and try and relax into the stretch. You can hold it there for a little while, the longer the better really. You'll feel your body start to relax. Another stretch is for your lower back is to bring your knee into your chest, stretching that and then extending your leg away if you're balanced enough. You should feel this into your lumbar spine. That's the lower part of your back. And as always, what you do on one side, you're going to do on the other. You can hold behind your thigh as well if you have knee problems. It's probably a little bit kinder to your knees. Then we have something called rebound, and rebound is a really good way of releasing fascia. Toe tapping at speed and possibly adding in the extra arms, although I appreciate coordination may be a problem with some people. You can go quite quickly, and then knees to chest is a lovely stretch. And if your neck's all right, you can bring your nose between your knees, but I appreciate that not everyone can do that. But this is a lovely stretch all the way down the back of your body. Don't have to lift your head, you can just bring your knees into your chest. That works quite well as well. Toes down and off you come.